Two of the most awaited movies from South India are lined up to get released this year. But the question is, will they be able to get released this year? Amidst of pandemic, keeping everything aside, let's talk about the main thing, the comparison between these two giants. So these two pan-India movies come respectively from their respected industries, KGF Chapter 2 from Kannada film industry and RRR from Telugu film industry. Now many people say that why there should be a comparison between the industries, but it is necessary to create a little distinction between the industries because it creates a healthy competition and fans also get to boast about how good their industry is whenever they have a good film which works irrespective of language, just like how Bahubali and KGF did. So first of all, let me give you a disclaimer that this video is not made for the purpose of creating a rift between the fans of this movie, but rather I just wanted to know that how many of you are excited for which one of these movie. I know just like me there will be a lot of people out there who would like to watch both the movies, but what if I tell you that just assume you can only watch one of these two movies, which one it would be? So hey everyone, my opinion here, let's get started with the video. So if this pandemic has not happened, we would have already watched the KGF Chapter 2. It is due to the pandemic that the movies have delayed a lot and still getting postponed again and again, and it is still unclear when we are going to watch it. So we'll start the comparison with the basic thing, the budget of the movies. So let me tell you that the budget of RRR is 3.5x of KGF Chapter 2. Yes, it is more than 3 times of KGF final chapter. The budget of RRR is 350 crores, which is way ahead of KGF, but this does not mean that the KGF 2 would be less quality by any means. But the KGF franchise has proven that even with a less budget, they can create a gem of a movie. The budget of KGF Chapter 1 was just 80 crores, which is surprising considering the scale at which the movie was made. And it's just astonishing that how some of the scenes of the KGF Chapter 2 were already shot while making the first chapter. So if we are talking about the scale of the movie, then let's talk about RRR also. Everybody already knows about on which scale does Rajamouli works. He is one of those directors of India who has time and time improved the quality of his work. He didn't become satisfied with himself and he is striving for the very best. One thing more about SS Rajamouli is that he never compromises with the scale and entertainment in his movies. RRR is going to be the biggest project of SS Rajamouli as this movie is a multi-starrer, and on top of that this will be the first movie after the humongous success of Bahubali. So this movie comes with added advantage as well as added pressure also. Now let's talk about the star cast of the movies. Now we take a look at the star cast of both the movies. It is quite powerful in both the movies. Actors from different industries are working in these movies. So the star cast of both the movies are quite powerful, and which makes it hard to compare, and I would not like to compare the actors. I leave this topic to you. Now let's look at the pre-release buzz of the movies. So in this area, I personally think that KGF Chapter 2 has added advantage over RRR because of the success of the first chapter. After the release of first chapter, everyone was intrigued that what final chapter beholds for them. And this curiosity made the teaser of the second chapter most viewed teaser in the world. It is not wrong to say that the swag of Rocky Bhai made everyone to watch the movie teaser at least 2 times. And if we talk about the pre-release buzz of RRR, it is no less than KGF Chapter 2. I was shocked to know that the movie was able to collect 900 crores even before the release of the movie, which is just so huge. You can check out the pre-release business of the movie on Google for clear numbers, which makes this movie the only movie ever made in India to collect this huge amount. But this sort of creates a pressure on the makers. If the movie does not do well at box office, then they have to face huge consequences. Now what I think is like that these two movies are bound to make records on box office as well as in the hearts of the people. Fans have already waited a lot for these movies. Well, at the end, as a fan, I will definitely watch both the movies and I cannot wait to witness these epics on the screen. Hope everything gets fine. Until then, please stay safe, take care. Yours truly, my opinion.